reproductive organs, defines its role in the colony. Let's look at this timeline mapping out how these bees develop. All honeybees undergo complete metamorphosis, which means they pass through 4 distinct stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The total development time changes depending on the caste. A queen emerges as a fully formed adult in just 16 days. A worker takes 21 days, and a drone requires 24 days to develop completely. The queen completes her cycle 5 days faster than a worker because she is fed a highly nutritious secretion called royal jelly throughout her entire larval stage. Let's lock this in. I'm going to hide the numbers. Pause the video here and try to fill in the exact day counts for the queen, worker, and drone yourself. Memorizing these specific numerical differences is a classic requirement for the SEE exam. Examiners test these timelines to verify your understanding of how nutrition impacts biological growth rates. This split screen illustrates 2 distinct flight behaviors that students often confuse. On the left is the nuptial flight. This is an individual reproduction event where a virgin queen flies high into the air to mate. During this flight, she stores enough sperm to last her entire lifetime. For the male drones that follow and mate with her, the act is fatal. They die immediately afterward. Now look at the right side. This is swarming. Swarming is a survival mechanism for the colony to reproduce when their current hive becomes too overcrowded. When a hive swarms, the old queen takes about half of the worker population to build a new home. They leave behind a newly hatched queen to inherit the original hive. To keep them straight on a test, the nuptial flight creates new individual bees, while swarming creates entirely new colonies. Let's apply this to a real test scenario. Here is a sample SEE exam question. A bee emerges after 16 days of development and possesses an unbarbed stinger. Identify the bee and state its primary function. Matching 16 days and an unbarbed stinger identifies the queen bee. As the only fertile female, her primary function is laying eggs. This summary chart organizes all the testable facts we've covered today. Take a screenshot to keep the taxonomy, the physical traits of the 3 castes, and their distinct life cycle day counts handy for review. By mastering these specific biological parameters and understanding how they dictate the hive's behaviors, you are fully prepared to ace this subject on exam day.